been thinking about a lot, got a nigga stressing. How these niggas ain't real, but I learned my lessons. These streets cold, so a weapon is for my protection. Mama told me stack praying, just count my blessings. It's fucked up now, so I keep the heat. Cause you can die for some shit you did last week. So when you see me chuck the deuces, nigga, I don't speak. Just bought some new pistols, nigga, for some old beef. I'm 19 and got more money than your fucking daddy. When I was 12, I seen a nigga slumped in the alley. That shit made me man up and made me be a soldier. I told you niggas MG, bitch, we taking over. Would you think about a nigga if the load stopped? Would you think about a nigga if I was in a box? One day I know this ballin' got a fucking end. So would you think about a nigga if I was in the pen?
If I get locked up after I put you on, will you still think about me? If I can't, then who gon' feed my kids? Tell me, will they think about me? No more quick licks after the blood gone. Tell me, will they think about me? Will they still think about me? Tell me, will they think about me?
I remember getting in line for a fucking coke. Down on my ass, struggling hard, he ain't focused. Tired of wearing the same clothes, a nigga started selling dope. Made shit happen, I was tired of being fucking broke. Got up off my ass, nigga. Got this cash, nigga. I'm doing good now, but I was doing bad, nigga. Press your luck and get a whammy like the last nigga. Cold world, so all my niggas got mags, nigga. Either you work or selling dope, ain't no other option. My nigga Mel say go hard, so I ain't stopping. The snitch got my nigga gone, but I ain't name dropping. Put a tag on his head and take my nigga shopping. The nigga getting money, so you know I'm taking chances. Hustling good in 2 years, I'ma have a mansion. I told my daughter she'd never have to be without me. If I get caught and catch 10, would you think about me?
If I get locked up after I put you on, will you still think about me? If I can't, then who gon' feed my kids? Tell me, will they think about me? No more quick licks after the blood gone. Tell me, will they think about me? Will they still think about me? Tell me, will they think about me?
For real, nigga. I got 2 kids, nigga. I'm out here trying to turn $1 to 1,000, you hear me? And turn that 1,000 to $1 million. I'm out here taking chances every day, nigga. I'ma make something shake though. Free my nigga Mel. Shout out to all my niggas, man. My way gang.